Okay, we made it to the hot tub, and you can see how high the snow is here. And I wanted to point this out. So our splash guard is now functioning as a snow guard. I really don't like how the snow is built up here because I didn't prime this yet. So I'm just going to pull that off. I don't want that to suck up water. But I really need to get that primed and painted in the spring, if not sooner. But I'm not worried about the bottom. Look at that. Snow can go up on it 3 feet and it's not going to affect it. So now I'm going to clean this off. Clean my little path over there. So I'm ready for this evening. For the hot tub. Gotta have priorities. And that right now is number one priority, to have that ready. Okay, let's get it cleaned.